Are you curious about the impact of 3D printing on innovation and technology? Let's explore how this groundbreaking technology is shaping various industries and creating new job opportunities. 3D printing has revolutionized the way prototypes are formulated, particularly in the biomedical and industrial sectors. It's no longer just a concept. 3D printing has become a tangible reality, offering lucrative job opportunities in fields like AI, machine learning, modeling, and more. For those interested in pursuing a career in 3D printing and related fields, roles such as CX Program Manager, 3D Printer Engineer, Emulation Prototyping Engineer, Robotics Trainer, AI Engineer, and Operations Manager are among the best jobs in this specialization. These positions offer competitive salaries and international opportunities. As 3D printing continues to evolve, it's clear that the impact on innovation and technology is profound, creating a demand for skilled professionals in various sectors.